Good afternoon, everybody. We are back. We are here. It's 83 degrees out. Mostly cloudy, though, right now. Still, nice day nonetheless. Done raining, I hope so. Who do we have first in the chat today? We've got Pudgy first in the chat. F-I-R-S-T. Pudgy is first. Arthur second. Man, you thought you were first, but you were second. Pudgy actually beat me in here, so think about that. Tim Hogan, what's going on? Lucky Stouts, Pringleton, Pringleton, Crypto Burger. We got Claybro in the chat. What's going on, Claybro? And good afternoon to you, Keith. Let's see what's happening over here in the market right now. Not too much different from where we were earlier, but AMC sitting at $9.54. We've got Shiba Inu coin sitting at $12.29 right now, still up 4% on the day. GameStop sitting at $31.68, up 2.39%. Ape is currently sitting at $6.14, down 5.62%. Basically been sitting in this level all day long today. Pretty boring day for Ape nonetheless, like a little barcoding candle here, but not really barcoding on the day. Just not a lot of volume, I guess, not moving too much, and sitting right there at $6.13. The NASDAQ back down from where it was earlier, sitting 0.80% lower, 1247 at the moment. GameStop 3170, Bureau Therapeutics down 6%, AMC up 3.7%, Ethereum, Shiba, and Bitcoin all still up. Sundial sitting at $295, down from where it was earlier at $3 per share. Mullen Auto, $62.96. We did get into Mullen Auto here, and we hope to see some green lines. Hopefully this is the bottom of the bottom on Mullen Auto in at 63. CEI 35 cents. The SPY sitting at 403.82. BBIG up 10% on the day. BBIG not doing too bad at all at $1.06 right now. Highcroft Mining sitting at 79 cents. Netflix 226.21. Clovis $1.17. Box $1.14. We've got Revlon 6.95 up 7% on the day. Green candles into the close there. We've got Terra Luna Classic sitting at $13.42 at the moment. QQQ 305.42 and Ape sitting at $6.13. Not doing too much at all right now. Michael, thank you for the fist. Bump, fist, bump, fist, bump, fist, bump. Michael, man, thank you very much for the fist bump super sticker. Michael is by far the most consistent super sticker sender with the fist bump in nearly every live stream. Michael, man, thank you very much. Hello, everyone. Green day on AMC. Let's see if we can hold it to the end of the day. Ape, been barcoding all day. Yeah, man, Ape's got some stagnation going on right now. These lame little candles right here on the 1 minute just sitting, and that is barcoding when you pull it out like that. When you're looking at a compressed chart, it doesn't look too bad, but nonetheless, not a lot of action on Ape. AMC throwing a red candle on there. Frodo wants to stay green. AMC, don't throw those red candles on here now. I don't know what you're doing, but don't do it. Stars of MC, hello again. Hello to you. Waiting for that HPCO tomorrow. Let it ride. Claybro, you see your NFT I shared on Twitter. I did not. Where's Farmy? Tim, I believe Farmy is at $1.01. Man, sorry, I'm coughing this afternoon. I believe Farmy's at $1.01. $1.02. It's at $1.02. I think it was at $1.01 earlier today. Yeah, it was at $1.01 earlier. Currently sitting at $1.01.5 right now. Look at the volume on Farmy. That is embarrassing, man. It's like freaking reading Braille. Oh my gosh, dude. Farmy doing nothing these days. Volume 214,000 shares today. That is extremely embarrassing, considering it used to have millions of shares being traded. But what does that look like on a split adjusted basis? It was low volume today. Yeah, man. This bad boy used to have 30 million, 11 million, 4 million, 2 million, 3 million, 4 million, 13 million, 3 million, and then 200,000 today. So yeah, a lot of people losing interest in Farmy, it seems. HPCO. Yeah, listen, I don't know. I can't get into HPCO, at least at the IPO price. I don't know. I looked. I was going to try and get into it, but it didn't say order now on there. It was blanked out, so I didn't have the option to order now and get into HPCO. But Keith, if you're in it, man, I don't know when you know how many shares you got, or if you already know that you were able to achieve some of those. But nonetheless, man, if you get in, I hope you guys absolutely kill it. Is anybody else? Oh man, a little red candle on Ape there. is anybody else trying to jump into HPCO? Another one of those IPOs that people are looking at attacking there. Oh, and I got to look at this NFT. No, I did not see this. I think I'm going to take some of my IPO money and buy the whole company. You probably could at this point, Tim. You probably could. And if you do, man, please fire everybody that works there for me. Just do it for fun, man. Everybody that works there, just do it for fun. Man, we got some red lines coming on Ape here at the end of the day. What is going on? We don't need no red lines. Twitter is what I want to see. What did you do? Did you mention me in it? No, where's my... Keith, I got you on here, man. Did you tag me in it or something? Oh, there it is. Yeah. Nice. There it is. Best NFT I have in my collection. Shib Moonshot 00. I love it, man. Let's get started. Let's do it. Very nice, Keith. That is by far the best NFT you've got in your collection. For sure, man. For sure. I like it. Oh, man, that's freaking classic. All right, what do we got here? Michael! Michael says, I've tagged you in a few tweets about Lunk 5.9% staked. You're a 1.5%. Yeah, dude, it was like 3.4% last night. And now it's already up to 5.9%. So I will be updating some of the numbers in that video. Thank you for tagging me in those posts there. I'm going to be updating some of the numbers in the Lunk video tonight. But, man, nonetheless, people are really jumping on board with staking their Luna Classic at this point, which is solid, man. We've already removed 6% from the circulating supply. So that is awesome to see. Michael, thank you very much for that. Absolutely appreciate it. And I'm actually excited to see how many people are still believing. Like, answer honestly. Okay? Answer honestly, guys. And I know that we kind of know people are a little bit crazy. We've seen what we can do with AMC. We've seen what people are willing to do with these stocks and cryptos and everything. But did you really believe that we would be getting this far with Terra Luna Classic when it basically, fell off the side of a cliff from $100 down to 0.00002 or whatever it was? I mean, did you really think that we'd be getting this far? Like rebuilding the blockchain, re-enabling staking, getting a burn tax going on to clean up the supply and all of that. Like, did you guys think that was possible? If you did, cool. But, I still thought it was a major risk. Sup, Clay, bro? Can you see Luna Classic reaching a penny before the year ends? Yeah, so Huáscar Perez, man. I don't think a penny is impossible on Luna Classic. A penny is that $50 to $60 billion valuation. It is a very high valuation, but it's where it was before. And if you're wondering whether it can get there by the end of the year is going to be here a lot quicker than we think. It truly is, man. The end of the year is going to creep up on us faster than we know. So I do think it's possible, but I think we need to see a bull market to get there. I don't think that Terra Luna Classic is going to get there on its own. I don't think that Terra Luna Classic is going to get to a penny just based on staking, based on even a major development coming in and building on the project. I don't think it's going to get there based on its own burns. I don't think it's going to get there based on itself. But if we do have a major crypto bull run come along, in that case, yes, I can see getting there. Something similar to what we saw at the end of 2021 when Shiba Inu coin 10x'd in basically less than a 1 month period, going from 800 points per coin to 8,800 points per coin. If we're talking, a fantastic run like that, Bitcoin jumping back up to $80,000 a coin, Ethereum 5,000 and so on, in that case, yes, I do think that that penny price point is possible for Luna Classic. 2 minutes, Clay. Oh, Pringleton. I missed it, man. I missed it. Nonetheless, we've got AMC closing today at $9.47. It is up 3.27 on the day. Shiba Inu coin, 12.31 right now, up 4.28% on the day. GameStop closed at 31.55, up 1.97%. Ape had a difficult day today, closing 6.77% lower, 6.06 on the day. The Nasdaq lost a whopping 1.02% today. Very large decline for the Nasdaq after a very large decline on Friday for the Nasdaq. We've got Ethereum sitting at 1532, Shiba 1231, Bitcoin 20,101, Sundial 294, Mullen Auto 6169. We've got CEI 6169. Dang, man, lost a little room into the close there. That sucks. Let's see. Yeah, I had a nice big red candle into the close there. That's pretty dumb. Nonetheless, though, 63 cents, a break even after hours right now. I got in at 63 cents earlier, so we are actually, you know what we're going to do? You guys can just sit here and watch whether or not, where are we at? Darn it. Give me that horizontal. Whether we are in red or green on Mullen. I don't really plan on this being a long-term hold, but nonetheless, man, we'll sit here and watch this and see if we can stay above it. Let's move to a yellow line. Remind me of Natalie. All right, cool. So got that line there. That's basically where we're sitting on Mullen Auto here. I think that's at 63 cents. So we got to try and get back above that there. CEI sitting at 35 cent, 35.11 cent close. The SPY closed at 402.59. BBIG closed at $1.06. Not bad at all. About a 10% gain on the day. 79.54. Oh my goodness on Highcroft, and sitting at 80.5 cents after hours right now. Netflix 224.57. We got Clovis basically break even on the day. $1.19. Boxed $1.14 on the day. Revlon 694 down almost 3% after hours. Terra Luna Classic 13.4. Like it's been sitting it all day. QQQ 304.41. Big drop off at the end of the day, actually. It was sitting at 305 just a couple minutes before the close. Ape closed at 606 today. Decent decline, so we're sitting right here. We'll watch it play after hours. Jump back and forth between that and some cryptocurrencies. Yep, everybody loves the underdog and everybody hates Dokwon. Perfect storm. Tim, it is actually, man. It is a perfect storm when it comes to Terra Luna Classic. Hey, Clay, speed up, bro. I'm 5 minutes ahead of you. No! Shrill Carter, don't be 5 minutes ahead of me. Please don't be 5 minutes ahead of me. Don't live in the future. Live in the now, man. I think Shib may hit the 1 cent mark by the end of the year. So, family, I don't think that Shiba will hit 1 cent by the end of the year. Shiba at 1 cent is like Terra Luna Classic at $1, right? A $6 trillion valuation. I don't think it's going to hit $6 trillion by the end of the year, man. Even if we do have a massive bull run, I don't think we're getting back up. I don't think we're getting to a penny by the end of the year. I think we need to see some. There's got to be a lot of work that gets done in Shiba to hit a penny, and major burns are one of those things. I do think that Shibarium can absolutely help. I think that this game, this AAA graphics game, can absolutely help. I think there's a lot of catalysts left, but not to a penny by the end of the year. Analyst was cut off when she brought up shorts covering in the previous bull run. I don't know what channel it was. So, yeah, I think I'm not going to play that video during the live stream, but I think if you guys want to go check out Trey Trade's Twitter page, I think he's got that on his Twitter page. I saw that earlier today, which is weird, right? She was actually really nice about it. I would have been like, I would have looked at that dude like he didn't have half a brain. If he cut me off in the middle of my 30-second segment like he did to her. But she actually reacted pretty nicely. Like, oh, wow, I'm going to smile. What a surprise. You're cutting me off like a jerk in the middle of my 30-second voice clip here. So I don't know why they did that, though. AMC GME MOAS saw that. I think it was CNBC. Crazy, right? Clay bro, will you do your math and fine? When is a good time for me to buy Shiba before it was up, please and thank you? Sam Demand number 3. Here's my thoughts on that. There's not going to be any perfect time to buy Shiba Inu coin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and so on. I truly do believe, however, that we can see some lower prices in Shiba Inu coin before we go up. And, you know, we could go up again, but I still think we're going to see lower prices than 1232. I don't think that this is the bare minimum that we see. And I'm comfortable saying that because, you're looking at Bitcoin and you've got your daily chart here. It is really, really, really wanting to come down and retest this $19,000 mark. It was touching 19,500 earlier today. I really do believe that it wants to bounce off 19.5. If it breaks through, we're absolutely going to see some lower prices in Shiba Inu coin, but we have got a lot going on in the crypto space right now that we're not over with yet. And I truly think the economy is going to get worse too. I'm glad that Jerome Powell finally switched his tone a little bit and started to be honest with people about inflation. And, dude, you look at whether or not you agree with the spending bills that we've been seeing coming out of the government lately, regardless of whether you agree with it, you have to look at spending. And spending causes inflation. So there's a lot going on right now that is going to, further ignite the inflation flame. And I don't think that we've seen the end of it. So there's trillions of dollars that are in the queue to be spent right now. And I think it's going to make things a little bit worse than where we're at. And therefore, I do think we can see some even lower prices. You know, I was calling for lower prices even as we went back up to $25,000. And some people were saying the bull run started back here and this was the bottom. I'm still not convinced. We may bounce off one of these red lines again, but I'm not convinced that we don't come back down and see some even lower prices. So we got to keep that in mind, guys. Do you want to watch Bitcoin? What do you guys want to watch in the bottom left? Luna, Ape, Bitcoin? I don't know what you guys want to watch. Clear to the XY, double top, or set a new high. Lucky's thoughts, interesting. I haven't looked at it since earlier, but we get the DXY at 108.78. Look, we got a nice Dragonfly Doji candle here. To me, it looks like we're going to double top. We did hit a new high, okay? We did hit a new high today, but to me, it looks like it wants to peak. To me, it's looking like it's too difficult to break through here, especially with this nice Dragonfly Doji we got. I would expect a nice top here and a reversal at this point. But nonetheless, I mean, it could... Look, I expected this to be the top. I expected this to be the top. I expected this to be the top. I expected 100 to be the top over here, and it has done nothing but just destroy the tops that I thought we would see. I don't think that the dollar or the U.S. economy is in this good a shape right now. I think that this is a poorly inflated excuse for the DXY and the U.S. dollar index. I would imagine, and here's the difficult part, I would imagine we'd see a nice reversal here, but the problem is the euro's weak too. The euro is potentially even weaker because they're being more honest than the European Central Bank's being a little bit more honest than the Federal Reserve is, in the sense that they expect a dark recession towards the end of the year. and the U.S. Fed is still kind of kicking it around saying, we're fine. We may see some pain, but we're fine right now. So I don't know. I don't know if we get further downside to go in the euro or not, but I do expect some... I would expect to be much higher on the euro USD from where we're at right now sometime in the future. I don't know if it's going to be immediate or not. MOAS candle? Yeah. Possibly. It's pretty steep decline not to be a MOAS candle on 30 shares right there. Bones! Hey, bro. Thanks for the afternoon stream. Been listening to terrible music on my ride home from work because you were on hiatus. And cheers. J Bones, man. Neckbeard's here. He calls me NB now. Oh my god. Cheers, NB. Cheers, Neckbeard. I got you, J Bone. I got you, JB. J Bones, man. 027. Heck yeah. Oh, now I gotta sneeze. Oh my gosh. Terrible music no more. Now you can listen to me sneeze during the live stream here. Wait, if you talked about this C-word margin call exemption to any obligations right now, because of that, everything is being kind of pushed aside. So I wouldn't think it's an impossibility, but I haven't actually seen anything about that. So about half an ETH on MetaMonkey AI